Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's start current affairs MCQ discussion for prelims 2020. First question, which of the following statements is incorrect in the context of sugarcane? First statement, sugarcane in North India has low sugar content. Statement B, sugarcane in South India is of tropical variety and high sugar content and high yield. Statement C, sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate with the temperature of 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Statement D, the crop needs an annual rainfall of more than 200 centimeter. Here we need to look for the incorrect statement. The sugarcane in North India is a subtropical variety crop with low sugar content. Hence the statement A is correct. In the South India, it is of tropical variety with high sugar content and high yield. This makes the statement B correct. And the sugarcane crop needs a temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius with a rainfall of 75 to 100 centimeter. So the statement C will be correct, and because of here it is given 200 centimeter rainfall, but this crop needs the rainfall between 75 to 100 centimeter. This makes the statement D incorrect, and the correct answer is D. Sugarcane is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. In North India, it is a subtropical variety with low sugar content. And also in the southern India, it is a tropical variety with high sugar content and high yield. This crop needs a temperature of 21 to 27 degrees Celsius with a rainfall of 75 to 100 centimeter. It needs manual labor and also it consumes more fertilizers or manure. The important sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Next question. Which of the following treaty Marathas entered into subsidiary alliance? Option A, Treaty of Salbai. Option B, Treaty of Bessin. Option C, Treaty of Purandar. And option D, Treaty of Surat. Here, first let's see regarding the subsidiary alliance. Subsidiary alliance was intensely used by Lord Wellesley. The terms of subsidiary alliance are: an Indian ruler entering into subsidiary alliance with British would accept the British forces within his territory and pay for its maintenance. He would also accept a British residence in his state. And he has to acknowledge the East India Company as the paramount power in India. The ruler would not make an alliance with any other European powers. These are the important terms of subsidiary alliance. Now, let's get back into the question. The Marathas entered into subsidiary alliance under the Treaty of Bessin. After the death of Nana Pandavis, again the Marathas became weak. This was an advantage for the British. And in 1802, Jaswantrao Holkar defeated Peshwa and Scindia and made Vinayak Rao, the son of Amrit Rao, as the Peshwa. The Bajirao too fled to Bessin and approached the British and entered into the Treaty of Bessin. Under the Treaty of Bessin, the Bajirao II accepted the subsidiary alliance, and he also accepted to cede the company territories yielding an income of rupees 26 lakh, and he also surrendered the city of Surat and he gave up the Chowth on Nizam dominions. These were the important terms of Treaty of Bessin. Next question. Artemis is the new mission to moon of which of the following space agencies? Option A, Japan Space Agency. Option B, European Space Agency. Option C, NASA. Option D, Canadian Space Agency. Here, the correct answer is NASA. This Artemis new mission, that is for the study of moon's interaction with sun. That is, when the sun's radiation fall on the rocky moon surface, how the rocky moon surface will react to that radiation. This was the aim of the mission. Which of the following is are the application of Bose-Einstein condensates? First option, study of dark energy. Options 2, research on gravitational waves. Option 3, test of general relativity. Option 3, prospecting on subsurface minerals on the moon and other planetary bodies. Here we need to check for the correct options. Here the correct option is D, that is all of the above. Let's see regarding the Bose-Einstein condensates. The existence of Bose-Einstein condensates was first predicted by the Indian mathematicians Satyendranath Bose and Albert Einstein. These are the atoms of certain elements formed when certain elements are cooled to near 0 Kelvin. At this point, atoms become a single entity with quantum property, where each particle also functions as a wave of matter. The main application of this Bose-Einstein condensates are study of gravitational wave, spacecraft navigation, research on dark energy, test of general relativity. Next question. With reference to the GDP deflator, consider the following statement. First statement, GDP deflator is considered as a better measure of inflation in an economy as compared to CPI and WPI. Second statement, increasing GDP deflator ensures increased production volume in the economy. Statement 3, it is a ratio of real GDP by nominal GDP into 100. Here we need to look for the correct statement. GDP deflator actually speaks about the inflation, not the output of the product. GDP deflator is considered as a better measure of inflation in an economy as compared to CPI and WPI. This first statement is correct. As I said before, GDP deflator speaks about the inflation, not on the production volume in the economy. Hence, the statement 2 is incorrect. It is the ratio of nominal GDP by real GDP into 100, not real GDP by nominal GDP. Hence, the statement 3 is also incorrect. Here, the correct answer is C, one only. GDP deflator is a measure of inflation. It is a ratio of value of goods and services as an economy produces in a particular year at current prices to that of the prices that prevailed during the base year. This is calculated by nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. Here the important thing is, in the nominal GDP, the inflation is adjusted. In the real GDP, the inflation will not be adjusted. This ratio helps to show the extent to which the prices of goods are increased. These are the questions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.